Hi everybody, it's Noleen with NB Design's Premier Staging. If you've been through a staging consultation with either Karen or myself, we have recommended a certain fold for the tiles in your bathroom. We always recommend white ones, of course, because we want it to feel like a spa. So here's a hand towel that I have. I'm going to give you a demonstration on how we typically suggest that you fold it. You take your towel and fold it in thirds lengthwise. It doesn't have to be exact, so that's basically what it looks like. And then fold it in on itself, leaving a little bit of a gap in the middle because you're going to fold it in on itself again. That way you have this nice neat little parcel with no tags sticking out, and so that you can use in your bathroom, or if we've recommended for your utility room, you can add some wooden clothespins to this. Also, we usually recommend a white orchid in your bathroom. They suit the most architectural styles and it gives that elegance. You'll see them in spas and hotels. And then I did find these cute little collections for your bathroom from H-E-B. They're called the Texas Collection. There's a couple of them in a different range, and these are wild lavender fragrance. If you're wanting to have a staging consultation with us, please feel free to give us a call. We'd love to help you. Our number is 833-2-STAGE, T-O, STAGE. Or you can find us on our website, nbdesigns.com. Thank you so much. We loved talking to you. Bye-bye.